CVMC, ECE, Unit 1, Complex Variables, Lesson 4. Analytic function. Definition of analytic function. Analytic function. Very important concept. A function f of z which is single valued and possesses a unique derivative with respect to z at all points of a region R, is called an region at all region R is called an analytic function of z in that region. Derivative means at a point. Analytic means at all points in the region, in the given region. That is the difference. Now, these are important points. An analytic function is analytic function is also called a regular function or an holomorphic function. Regular, holomorphic, analytic. 3 names. A function which is analytic everywhere in the complex plane, is known as an entire function or integral function. So result, this is very important result. Of course, proof is not in our syllabus. We have to learn only statement, that is result. the necessary and sufficient conditions for the derivative of the function w is equal to f of z is equal to u plus iv. U is a function of xy, v is a function of xy. To exist for all values of z in a region R, first condition, dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y are continuous functions of x and y in R. Second condition, dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y, comma, dou u by dou y is equal to minus dou v by dou x. CR equations. CR equation means Cauchy-Riemann equations. Cauchy-Riemann equations. Very, very important. Note 1. Cauchy-Riemann conditions are necessary but not sufficient. That is, if the function f of z is equal to u plus iv is differentiable, then it must satisfy the CR equations. But the converse is not true. A function may satisfy the CR equations at a point and yet it may not be differentiable at that point. Note 2. So this is very important. Analytic function implies CR equations are satisfied. CR equations satisfied analytic function. So it is analytic. Suppose given function as f of z is analytic, the real and imaginary part satisfies CR equations. The real and imaginary parts u, v are must satisfy CR equations. If any function satisfies CR equations, it need not be analytic function. అంటే అనాలిటిక్ అంటే గ్యారంటీగా సిఆర్ ఈక్వేషన్ సాటిస్ఫై అవుతాయి. సిఆర్ ఈక్వేషన్ సాటిస్ఫై అయినంత మాత్రాన అనాలిటిక్ అవ్వాలని రూల్ ఏం లేదు అని దీని మీనింగ్. ప్రాబ్లం ఈజ్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ జెడ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు sin x sin y minus I cos x cos y analytic question mark solution. So given f of z is equal to sin x sin y minus I cos x cos y u plus iv, f of z means u plus iv is equal to sin x sin y minus I cos x cos y. Equating real and imaginary parts, u is equal to sin x sin y, v is equal to minus cos x cos y. Now dou u by dou x, partial derivative with respect to x, sin y constant, sin x derivative with respect to x, sin x derivative cos x. So this is cos x sin y. Dou u by dou y, u derivative with respect to y, sin x is constant, sin y derivative with respect to y cos y. So this is nothing but sin x cos y. Dou v by dou x, partial derivative of v with respect to x. Here in v with respect to x means cos y constant. So you take minus also. Minus cos y constant, cos x derivative with respect to x minus sin x. So minus into minus plus, this is sin x cos y. Dou v by dou y is equal to partial derivative of v with respect to y minus cos x constant, cos y derivative with respect to y minus sin y, minus into minus cos x minus into minus plus cos x sin y. Now your observation is dou u by dou x is equal to dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou x is equal to dou u by dou y. So first condition is okay. Dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y. Both are equal. Here dou u by dou y is equal to, we have to get minus dou v by dou x. Minus dou v by dou x. So not equal. CR equations are not satisfied. F of z is not analytic. Is not analytic.